I got good news, and I got bad news.
What's the bad news?
I checked the stock book. As of today, they're no longer making parts for your model. You have been officially outmoded.
Outmoded? Well, that's fine. What's the good news?
Well, when we had your parts, they were on sale!
Oh, could this happen to me? I'm practically a kid.
Jeez, look. Pull yourself together. All you need is an upgrade.
Whoa.
That new upgrade smell.
Just came in, fully loaded. Look, it's got cup holders. Standard.
Does it come in plus sizes?
Sure. Take a look at the new Big Weld Spring Collection.
I can't afford that fancy stuff. All I need is one stinking neck joint. No, 1, 6, 7, 2, 8. I'm hurting me. Idiot.
Sorry, pal. It's either upgrade or the chop shop for you.
The chop shop. Ah! I'm fine. I'm fine. Now hands. Up. Hey, hey, up, 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 oh, up, and ta-da! I'm back.